Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a search bar in Excel and filter data in a table with the first letter. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Let's get started. So prepare your data, then click inside the table, press Ctrl A to select the table, then Ctrl L or Ctrl T. Check a case here, my table has headers, then OK, and name your table. For me, table 1, but remember the name, alright? So go to developer tab. First of all, select all the cells, then merge. Now go to developer tab, insert text box, drag it here, then right click on text box, properties, link cell, we have to link it with H7, go to special effects, then select the first one, okay, close this, then right click again, view code, then here is the code, here. So here I will change table to table 1, the name of the table I have created. For the field, I want to search by the name of the product, so the name of the product is on the column 2, 1, 2. So here I will put 2. Criteria, I have to change it to H7. Okay. So now, don't forget to save your project as macro. Save, name your file. For example, search bar. Save as step, enable macro. This one. Then save. Now go back to the sheets, right? Go to design mode and let's try this. As you can see, right? Now go to insert, shape, to this one. Adjust it. Go to shelf it, no fill. Okay, let's choose this one, for example. No problem. Shape. Right click on the shape, send it to back. Right, now go to view, then click here, guideline,